4th of July or Memorial Day themed arrangement, except we're going to be doing it in this ceramic mason jar, painted beautifully like the flag. Again, I just picked this one up at Michael's. I'm not going to start with any sort of gridding pattern on this as it is. It's a 5-inch diameter. So I'm just going to start building. I am going to be using variegated pomosa again in the same arrangement. Again, I got all of my flowers at Trader Joe's. But I would probably put something like a box underneath it. I saw at Target they actually had clear risers the other day. And so you can buy a clear riser and put that on top, or even a clear cube, because you do not want your flowers touching the food. Keep that in mind. Let's get the American flag and finish off our arrangement. And that is our Memorial Day themed arrangement. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave comments, follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Haven't done a Facebook page yet, but make sure to follow, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys, have a great Memorial Day or 4th of July. Stay safe everybody, okay?